following is a pre-recorded lecture given by Dr. Lawrence Bridgewater, Biology 340, Variations in Mendelian Genetics.
Has anyone seen the trigonal bipyramid? Oh, we're on! Welcome everyone to the Human Genome Project class. I'd like to quickly, we're really tight on time here. Is this thing on? Can everyone hear me? Can you hear
Yes,
me? Okay.
yes, Professor.
I'd like to quickly go over problem number 4 out of chapter 13, Variations on Mendel's Theme. If you'll open that up to page 411, we're talking about phenylketonuria, which is characterized by severe mental retardation and abnormally high plasma phenylalanine. Over 190 recessive alleles of the PAH loci have been characterized. Okay, I thought we had a question. I'm sorry. Some people have somewhat elevated plasma phenylalanine but do not suffer from PKU. This situation is called non-phenylketonuria hyperphenylalaninemia. Okay, I'd like to ask a question of the class. Mr. Hecht, if you will, would you please tell us about the heterozygous PK? I apologize. We had some difficulties with our translator station from KBYU. We'd like to pick up right where we left off with the heterozygous PKU mutant allele. Would you please answer that for us, Mr. Nick Hecht?
Yes, Professor. Well, we can assert that the mutant PAH alleles that do not cause heterozygous probably encode a mutant form of phenylalanine hydroxylase PAH. That has slightly reduced function when compared to the form encoded by a natural allele.
No, you're wrong. You're way wrong. What are you doing? What are you talking about?
Well, perhaps Mr. Matt Thomas would like to enlighten us on the correct answer.
It's the medulla oblongata. It's right here in the darn book. Why don't you open your eyes, son? Gosh darn you. These whippersnappers these days. Dang, Gina.
I'm not quite sure what you're talking about, Mr. Thomas, but if you'll look right here in the American Journal of Human Genetics, it says 27 No, my particle accelerator, please, no!
We regret to inform you that due to a freak particle accelerator accident, Professor Lawrence Bridgewater will no longer be able to give the remaining Biology 340 lectures. The remaining Biology 340 lectures will be given by Professor Gene Oderstrom from Payson, Utah.
Well, after this mishap in the last lecture series, we had some mass confusion about the medulla oblongata. Well, as you can see in problem set 4 on page 411 of chapter 13, the non-phenylketonuria hyperphenylalaninemia is examined in 27 families, and it shows here that the HPA-PKU phenotype was a result of a leaky recessive allele. Therefore, the medulla oblongata had no direct effect on the homozygotes who expressed the recessive leaky allele.
Thank you for joining our lecture series, Biology 340, Mendelian Genetics, Variations of.